Experiment 4. Aim to compare the EMF of two given primary cells using potentiometer, apparatus, potentiometer, a Lagrange cell, a Daniell cell, an ammeter, a galvanometer, an auxiliary battery or a battery eliminator, a rheostat of low resistance of about 20 ohms, a resistance box 0 minus 10 k ohms, a one-way key, a two-way key, a jockey, connecting wires, sandpaper. Circuit diagram. Theory of potentiometer works on the principle that when a constant current flows through a wire of uniform cross-sectional area, then potential drop across any length of the wire is directly proportional to length of that wire, V proportional to L. If a cell of EMFE1 is introduced in the circuit and a balance point is obtained on the wire for its length L1, then E1 proportional to L1 implies that E1 equal to KL1, 1. Similarly, for other cell of EMFE2, E2 proportional to L2 implies that E2 equal to KL2, 2. Dividing 1 by 2, E1 divided by E2 equal to L1 divided by L2. Observations and calculations. Record all the observations in the following table and calculate the values. Result.
Precautions.
The connections should be neat, clean and tight. The plugs should be introduced in the keys only while taking the observations. The positive poles of the battery E and cells E1 and E2 should be connected to the terminal at the zero of the potentiometer wire. The jockey should not be rubbed along the wire. It should be moved over the wire gently. The ammeter reading should remain constant for a particular set of observation. If necessary, the rheostat should be adjusted for this purpose. The EMF of the auxiliary battery should be greater than the respective EMFs of each of the two cells. Some high resistance plug should always be taken out from resistance box before the jockey is moved along the wire. The rheostat used should be of low resistance. Sources of error. Same as in previous experiments, the auxiliary battery may not be fully charged. The potentiometer wire may not be of uniform cross-section material and density throughout its length. The resistances of the copper strips may not be zero or negligible. Resistance of the potentiometer wire may increase due to the continuous flow of current through potentiometer wire.